Welcome back to Noir Velocity. What if the next Ford Escape stopped playing it safe and came back looking sharper, more aggressive, more premium, and ready to fight some of the biggest names in the compact SUV world? This is our vision and review of the 2027 Ford Escape, a future-focused SUV that could bring a bold new attitude to one of Ford's most recognizable nameplates. And trust me, this Escape is not here to blend into the parking lot. One look at the front end, and you immediately notice the transformation. The 2027 Ford Escape wears a much more muscular and confident design, with a wide black grille, sharp LED daytime running lights, vertically positioned headlamp elements, and a deeply sculpted bumper that gives the SUV a more aggressive personality. The hood looks stronger, the body lines are cleaner, and the combination of the white paint, dark windows, black lower trim, and large alloy wheels creates a seriously premium road presence. Move around to the side, and the Escape keeps that modern energy going. The profile is athletic without becoming too bulky, making it feel like a practical family SUV with a little bit of attitude. The sculpted doors, pronounced wheel arches, aerodynamic side skirts, and stylish wheels all help create a more upscale appearance. At the rear, the futuristic LED lighting and cleaner tailgate design give the Escape a fresh identity. It looks modern, sporty, and far more expensive than you might expect from a compact SUV. But design is only part of the story. Under the hood, the big question is what Ford could offer for a future Escape lineup. A turbocharged powertrain would make perfect sense, while hybrid and plug-in hybrid options could also be important for buyers who want better efficiency without giving up everyday usability. A well-equipped, performance-oriented version could potentially deliver the kind of quick acceleration that makes city driving and highway overtaking much more exciting. Depending on the final powertrain, a 0-100 km/h time in the roughly 7 to 8 second range would make this Escape competitive, but official 2027 performance figures would need to be confirmed by Ford. And what about the sound? Let's be honest, compact SUVs are not usually bought for a thunderous exhaust note, but a turbocharged Escape with a sporty drive mode could still deliver a deeper, more confident engine tone when you push the accelerator. The goal here is not to sound like a Mustang. It is to feel responsive, refined, and energetic enough to put a smile on your face. Step inside, and this is where the 2027 Escape could make its biggest impression. The cabin feels more driver-focused, with a modern digital instrument display positioned directly in front of the steering wheel and a large central infotainment screen controlling most of the major functions. The dashboard design is clean and horizontal, giving the interior a wider and more sophisticated feeling. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, detailed stitching, metallic accents, and supportive seats could help the Escape move closer to the premium end of the compact SUV market. The front seats should offer excellent everyday comfort, while the driving position gives the driver a confident view of the road. For families, rear seat comfort and cargo space will remain extremely important, and that practical side is one of the biggest reasons people continue to choose SUVs like this. Technology is another area where a future Escape needs to deliver. Expect a large infotainment display, smartphone connectivity, digital driver information, voice control, multiple USB charging options, wireless charging, and over-the-air software updates to be key features. Ford's advanced driver assistance technology could also include features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, parking assistance, and a 360-degree camera system on higher trims. Of course, the biggest question is price. The final 2027 Ford Escape pricing has not been officially confirmed, but if Ford positions it competitively, it could offer strong value against rivals such as the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, Mazda CX-5, Hyundai Tucson, and Kia Sportage. A starting price in the mid-$30,000 range for a well-equipped model would make sense as a future market estimate, with higher hybrid, luxury, or performance trims potentially costing more. So is the 2027 Ford Escape worth waiting for? If the final production version delivers the bold styling, modern technology, comfortable interior, efficient powertrains, and competitive pricing that a next-generation Escape needs, then absolutely, it could become one of the most interesting compact SUVs in its class. It has the potential to be practical enough for everyday life, while still looking exciting enough to make you glance back at it after parking. But now I want to hear from you. Would you choose the 2027 Ford Escape over the Toyota RAV4 or Honda CR-V? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to Noir Velocity, and turn on notifications for more future cars, luxury SUVs, and automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.